I'm into poultry farm with the help of Empower. Empower impacted into my life positively, yes. Why I say positively? Because right now, today, as you can see, I'm one of the employer of labor, yes, whereby I employ about 7 personnel under me, working under my farm right now. Started with 100, with the help of Empower, we keep on growing up to this stage. So apart from the broiler section, we even have piggery with the help of Empower. I think Empower has gone a long way to impact positively into my life and the life of those I employ. Because seriously, without Empower, we wouldn't have known where we would have been by now. I would like to appreciate Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari, because his impact and his wisdom that he decided to create this empowerment channel. Since when he empowered so many youths like us, at least positively we have been helping others out there too. So we really appreciate him, and we pray God should give him more wisdom and more empowerment to the youth.